Okromi Singh accuses Centre and NSE and IM of being behind the indefinite economic blockade. Smriti Irani says identity cards will be given to artisans of Manipur by December this year. Former MLA Ira Bose accuses Congress government of failing in solving problems facing the people. And India Team B will take on Australia in the final of Manipur Polo International. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laitangma Monica with the top stories. Chief Minister Okromi Singh has accused the Centre and the NSE and IM of being behind the indefinite economic blockade imposed by United Naga Council on the national highways in Manipur. Speaking at a political conference organized by Nauria Block Congress Committee near the residence of MLA R.K. Anand today, the Chief Minister once again reiterated that the Manipur government must take the decision of formation of a new district in Manipur. He said the Centre or the NSE and IM cannot dictate to it. Reacting to the Centre's response regarding the state government's request for intervention in the economic blockade that no concrete suggestion was received from the state government, Ibobi asked what kind of concrete suggestions the Centre wanted from him to solve the grievances facing the people. The Chief Minister maintained the union ministers who are frequently visiting the state are more interested in inaugurating projects and buildings than providing help to the people. He said he could not attend the inauguration of apparel and garment making center at Lamboi Khongnangkhong by Union Minister Smriti Irani due to prior engagement.
Sadar Hill District Piroi Haidna Nahna Hairabadi Moy Kudakta Hamtoke Hai Sineva Mana Nangai Wadna di NSN IMGA BJP ki center the labor government siga Moy Manunga Hianen block Moy Manaraga Banse Moy na Tohan Bani Haibase Koi Masi Chana I Kamneva Sipai season Narga Kakira Kapoira Noina Kalaga Noina Wari Shana Bani Moigache Aduna Noina Kuting Jalaga Hamton Bio Hoji National Highway the Masita Hoida Tamoni Hydra Mangonda Hiram Adu Sida BJP is announcing Karana Ada Talaga Mangonda Unaroga Concrete Oiba Proposal Piram Day Proposal Piningai Kari Legeva National Highway Tingim say Noya Wari Shana Bani Noya Hamdolu Hivanatana.
Chief Minister Okromi Singh today flagged off a rally from the airfield at Korengai as part of the ongoing Manipur Sangai Festival. The rally was organized by Manipur Tourism Forum and the Second World War Imphal Campaign Foundation. Around 200 people in 9 vintage jeeps and on motorcycles and bicycles took part in the rally that will travel up to Nambol Maibam Lot Paching and pay homage to the Second World War Memorial. Speaking at the event, President of Manipur Tourism Forum, Dr. T.H. Double said Imphal was an important part of the World War. He said many soldiers from different parts of the world died in battles in Manipur. Dr. Double observed that those wars did not bring any good to the humanity. He said the rally aimed at promoting peace and Manipur tourism.
ORC kanabam talite masi amang bagi amang mangaktani Miyobigi punsi mangi loina property mayam so destroy tawduna manghali aduna war si phatte haibasi mayam da khangan jaba peace ki message ama mayam da pina na makhoi hona jabani loina na tourism gi angle lagi yengoraga war tourism gi amaru eba part ama oibani na Imphal si second world war ga mari leina ba maru eba war tourism sport ama when develop tawna ba akoi na Manipur tourism forum ga second world war campaign foundation ga loina na Honaraga Manipur si one of the most important war tourism destination ama oina na bakoi mayam da promote tawna bhona jabni.
Union Minister of Textiles Smriti Zubin Irani today inaugurated an apparel and garment making center under the Northeast Region Textile Promotion Scheme at Lamboi Khongnangkhong, Imphal West. Speaking at the event, the Union Minister announced that the identity cards for the artisan of the state will be provided by December this year. She further stated the newly inaugurated center will provide jobs to the artisan of the state. Workers holding these identity cards will be given benefits under the Mudra scheme initiated by the centre. Weavers can also easily participate in exhibitions held within and outside the country with the help of this identity card. She appealed to the artisan of Bishnupur, Imphal West and Churachandpur district to participate in the workshop aimed at promoting and developing new handloom designs. She said artisans who hold BPL cards will be provided toolkit free of cost. The newly inaugurated centre will have 3 units which will provide training on skill development and market linkage to around 600 people.
जितनी भी भारत सरकार की स्कीम्स है हैंडीक्राफ्ट की, वो स्कीम का फायदा आर्टिजन को तब मिलता है जब आर्टिजन की पहचान हो पाए। अब भारत सरकार के पास आपका डेटा डायरेक्ट होगा, आपके पास पूरी की पूरी सुविधा डायरेक्ट पहुंचेगी, ताकि हमारे शिल्पकारों को किसी के सामने ना लाइन लगानी पड़े ना हाथ जोड़ना पड़े। तो मुझे ये खुशी है कहते हुए कि भारत सरकार की ओर से मणिपुर के लिए विशेष हैंडलूम के लिए अलग अलग स्कीम्स में 46.15 करोड़ सैंक्शन किया गया है।
As celebrated across the country, the 69th National Cadet Corps NCC Day was also observed in Manipur. The function was organized by All Manipur NCC Officers Welfare Association Manipur on the NCC campus at DM College. NCC Manipur unit, which has about 5,000 cadets, showcased their talents in the event. Speaking at the celebration as the chief guest, Education and Transport Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar said the the Indian Military Cadet Corps not only spread the sense of patriotism among the youth but also led them to a better future. He assured that the state government will try to help the NCC Manipur unit through the education department. Group Commander of NCC Imphal Brigadier G.M. Sankar, Director of Education S. N. Praveen also took part in the celebration.
कोई धर्म की खेनब लेतना, जाति की खेनब लेतना, कुचु की खेनब लेतना, अमदी जेंडर की खेनब लेतना, हाइरिबा कोई एनसीसी सिदा मखल क्या की ट्रेनिंग पीदना, कोई लेरिबा नहारोल सिंगदा मसिगी डिसिप्लिन लेहनबा अद लीडरशिप की तोंगान बा कोई पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट की मधुगी एक्टिविटीज के आमा मसी फंगदना अखोई नहारोल सिंगसिदा तुंगदा मखोई कैरियर द मखोई प्रोफेशन दा तोंगान प्रोफेशन दा संगी तारगसु अखोई अफबा अदुगुंबा जाति की अखोई युम्बी अमा अखोई सिटीजन अमा ओइरकपदा यामना चावना अखोई मतेंग पांगली हाइबो मतमदा हाइबन वथोलोय.
An IED bomb was found at the residence of former Wabagai MLA Dr. Usham Deben Singh at Kairak under Kakching police station. The IED bomb was discovered outside the gate by family members. Later, police successfully retrieved the bomb. Vehicles which were stranded at Sinam village on Imphal Moree Road were brought to Imphal today. The vehicles escorted by additional SP Moree, M. Mubi, SDPO, OC of Moree Police, OC of Tengnopal and commando personnel arrived at Imphal around 4 this morning. All Meitei Club Organization Manipur AMCOM has claimed that a new map proposed by Sadar Hills District Demand Committee SHDC includes many villages inhabited by the Meiteis and the state government must draw a proper demarcation line. The organization said it does not object the formation of Sadar Hills District. However, it cautioned that if the government implements the map proposed by the SHDC, there will be strong opposition to the decision. Organizing Secretary of All Meitei Club Organization Manipur and Sunil today said at the press meet at Manipur Press Club that the government should publish a white paper on the formation of a new district. He stated that the map of SHDC affects about 30 villages situated between the hills and the valley. He also maintained that it also affects the forest area provided by the then Manipur government under the Manipur State Darbar Act 1932. He demanded the government to publish a map of the new district by the 29th of this month. Sunil also warned of various forms of agitation if the map by SHDC is followed in the formation of a new district.
Government na karigumba anauba district sima semam dai matamda natraga ꯁꯦꯝꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯊꯥꯏꯅꯒꯤ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯃꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯚꯔ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯦꯝꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯦꯝꯀꯣꯝꯅ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯊꯣꯛꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯐ ꯐꯠꯇ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯄꯨꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯒ ꯇꯝꯒꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯁꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯊꯥꯗꯠꯇꯅꯕ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯩ ꯁꯗꯔ ꯍꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯣꯁ ꯃꯦꯞ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯋꯥꯏꯠ ꯄꯦꯄꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯕꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦꯅ
Former Wangkai MLA and BJP leader Yumkham Irabot has blamed the Congress government led by Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh for its weakness in tackling the problems facing the people. Speaking at the inauguration of a multi-purpose hall organized by Eastern Students Club at Nomaibung Bazaar, Irabot said due to the indefinite economic blockade by United Naga Council, many vehicles of the state cannot pass Senapati. He questioned the inability of the state government to bring these vehicles to the state with additional security forces. Irabot said many vehicles plying on Imphal-Ziribam road continue to face lots of hardships and this only shows the weakness of the government. He maintained that the government is scared of a few organizations and are unable to carry out its duties courageously. Yumkham Irabot said the economic blockade caused by the UNC, which is nearing a month, has caused lots of hardships to the common man. He said prices of essential commodities have skyrocketed and there are long queues near petrol pumps.
Ibobi's government is the meekest government. He is all the time surrendered to different organization, different insurgency. Law and order, law and order, law and order is the state subject. Whether the law and order is the state subject or whatever, whether the center bu mateng pangani magagadi, I go straight to quick hall seizure. She buy machine as PO. Adu PO. Adu PO is concretized the proposal of the only when the central government is to shape, is to help. I under the constitution is there. Higher Kangal. What is that? And assume a currently told him to we have a was
All clubs, organizations and associations Manipur Akomlup will hold a public meeting regarding display of the names of the localities in respective areas on December 16. Akomlup President KSH Somarendro today told the media that names of places associated with centuries-old history of the state has been changed in the last 50 years. He appealed to the people to take part in the discussion.
Mingthon Honglak Liba Asina Tungi Kunaya Sida Kanglepak Manipurgi Puari Pakat Pamatanda Hongdok Hongjin Kaya Sina Samam Nbakaya Haningai Litana Puholi Samam Libasing Asi Toktanaba Manipura Ladyba Lekai Club Amadi Maira Paibi Mayanga Pusina Duna Kunaya Sigi Lambi Lairak Lekai Amadi Lakona Singba Kayagi Maming Sing Signboard Tetopagi campaign ama Sangsilagani.
Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam today alleged that Manipur, the centre, did not set up the National Film Institute in Manipur as there is no BJP government. He said despite the discouragement, the state government established a film institute in the state. He was speaking at the launch of a music and trailer of the Manipuri feature film Soinai Rabathamoy at Classic Grande in Jingmirong. Gai Khangam said though small, Manipur produces the largest number of films among the northeast states.
Manipura Film Institute se thambiyare population ki size of the state so yengakan percentage se yam wangi hajna recommend to phawda Manipur se makhoina apam ba sarkar uidi mataku film ki masak khandaba yan ge kari hagani hai with due respect state mada film member sila hawbani ai yam angang wi baby stage ta madu adugum state ta makoi pige toram hongdokhi.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Sangai Festival the Hangjagadoriba Pebet Designs Photo Studio Nagamapal Phobei Samam Lekai Dagi Adongi Apamba Pot Amhekta Leibiduna Lucky Winner Oibiu Prizes Sing Adudi Miamgi Hene Kudong Java Yingjaraga Lupa Chamanga Amadi Lising Japigi Note Lobzerani Late Safe Sangai. Come enjoy the Sangai Fest and please do buy products from Pebet Store.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. One-day discussion on corruption-free Manipur was organized by Steering Committee of BJP Patsoi at Takiel Kumbal Kumanthem Lekai Community Hall. BJP Manipur Pradesh members spoke on various development schemes and works taken by Narendra Modi-led BJP government. BJP Langthabal Mandal 2 continued poster campaign ahead of the upcoming 11th Legislative Assembly polls. Aspiring BJP candidate of Langthabal, former MLA O Joy, took part in the door-to-door and poster campaign in ward number 20/6 Kha Maibam Lekai in Langthabal today. BJP ST Morcha Chandel and BJP Moreh committee yesterday organized a rally in Moreh on the theme Freedom from Drugs and Corruption. The rally, which started from Kut Ground Moreh, passed Moreh town and concluded at Kondong Lairimbi. A public meeting was also held at Kondong Lairimbi. Aspiring BJP candidate of Tengnopal H. Soko Pau Elias Benjamin said at a meeting that the rally was held to create awareness about the ill effects of drugs among the youth of Moreh. The first state conference of All India Tanzim-e-Insaf AITI Manipur State Council was held today at Manipur Press Club. It was organized by the preparatory committee of the council. The conference was attended by the National General Secretary of AITI, Dr. Ayub Ali Khan, former Minister Avi Minthing, Dr. M. Nara, and several prominent persons of the state. Speaking at the event, General Secretary of AITI Manipur State Council Islauddin said the conference aimed at protecting the rights of the minority, cultural and territorial integrity. It demanded proportionate reservation for the minority and also to place minority commission under the Indian Constitution like ST and SC through a judicial mechanism. Former Arts and Culture Minister Dr. M. Nara expressed his happiness and support at the formation of such an organization for the welfare of the minority. He also appealed to them to work towards bringing social justice. Tricycles were distributed to differently abled persons at a function organized by Bharat Vikas Parisad Imphal City and Bharat Vikas Parisad Mahila at Sinam Shyama Town Hall in Chingmairong, Maninglekai. The function was attended by Bharat Vikas Parishad National Coordinator and National Additional Organizing Secretary Suresh Jain, Bharat Vikas Parishad Imphal City President Karam Sharad Kumar, among others. Speaking at the event, Bharat Vikas Parishad Manipur State President BP Sharma said, "Helping people is like serving the God." Bharat Vikas Parishad has 6 branches in Manipur. He said the organization will continue helping people. Prizes were distributed to the winners of first Thoubal and Imphal East District Maths and Science Competition 2016 at Yairipok, Lampak. M. Manilal Singh, ZEO Thoubal, Oinam Nandababu Singh, President MSF Head Office, Singamayum Saruk, President MSF Yairipok Branch, among others, attended the function. Managing Director of MSPCL Electricity Department and Chief Engineer Power and Sarat has been awarded the 9th India Power Award 2016 for introduction of prepaid meters in Manipur. The award was handed over by Council of Power Utilities for the innovative initiatives in power and energy sector. Engineers and administrators from across the country are selected by 8 jury members. Kangleipak Students Association KSA today celebrated its 11th Foundation Day at Didim Ground. Teachers of Manipur University, members of KSA and other student bodies took part in the celebration. A CD of the anthem of the student body was also released at the event. Performance by artists of two martial arts organizations highlighted the function. KSA also presented gifts and certificates to students who regularly donate blood as an encouragement.
कनागुमन हाई बियावे मणिपुर की संस्थान सिंह से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिंह से यामन घरे संस्थान सिंह से लेइतब मतमदा मणिपुर से सोइदन इंग तप्पा लमदम मम ओइगनी हाइना हाइनब यावरगले हौजिकि इशू ngakani लेरि से हाइरिबा इशू सिंह से मसी कनाननो एकोइ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तौरगा कनाननो असुंबा असेंब पुरकदुरि सिंह असि की समाज सिदा लेरिबा सरकार की फमनाइबा ओइहौद्रबा सरकार की थबक फंगौद्रबा अदुगुंबा मियोइसिंग अदो मतुदुननी मणिपुर समाज थोइदोकेंदोंना ngasi पुरगा चलिबसिदि.
Now to sports news. India Team B will take on Australia in the final of the 10th Manipur Polo International. In the second semi-final match played today in Mapalkhang Jebung, last year's runners-up, India Team B thrashed defending champion USA 10-2. India Team B, M. Jawan, S. Bimol, T. Pradeep and P. Ojit scored 3 goals each, while T.H. Ranjit and L. Thompson scored 1 goal each. Ryan Cronin and Lucas Reed scored 1 goal each for USA team. Kenya bagged the 5th position, while India Team A the 6th place. Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association officials and polo lovers enjoyed the match today. The tournament is organized as part of the ongoing Sangai Festival 2016 by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. The final match will be played on the 29th of this month at Imphal Polo Ground. Inter-College Wrestling Men and Women's Tournament 2016 organized by Royal Academy of Law Oinam under Manipur University began at the college indoor hall today. Manipur Wrestling Association President M. Chaubalal, association members, teachers and students of several colleges attended the inauguration. Students from more than 10 colleges are taking part in the tournament. Speaking at the event, Law College Oinam Principal Jugeshwar says sports bring unity and strength among the people. School of Builders and Fitness Kwakathil Thaunawzam Lekai yesterday extended a financial help of 50,000 rupees to T.H. Leimachanu, who is representing India in the 8th WBPF World Bodybuilding and Physics Sports Championship to be held in Thailand. Members of the school also wished all players taking part in the tournament a very good luck. Thailand defeated Manipur 21-17, 21-15, 21-16 in the second exhibition match of Sepak Takraw at Khuman Lampak Indoor Stadium today. Department of Youth Affairs and Sports and All Manipur Sepak Takraw Association jointly organized the exhibition match. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Okram Ibovi Singh accuses Centre and NSA and IAN of being behind the indefinite economic blockage. Smriti Irani says identity cards will be given to artisans of Manipur by December this year. Former MLA Irabot accuses Congress government of failing in solving problems facing the people. And India Team B will take on Australia in the final of Manipur Polo International.